What's up, Kevin? This is a lit party, dude.
Yeah,
Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, it is. You ready to get smacked tomorrow, David?
I don't think so. I think we're gonna smack you.
Yeah, right.
I got money on David.
Sir, who are you?
I'm his friend.
Is that so?
Yeah, you the host?
Yeah.
Can you get some drinks? We're thirsty.
Alright, no problem.
Thanks, dude. So, this man De Bruyne is too nice. I really can't have him playing tomorrow because he's gonna ruin our chances at the title. So I want you to find some incriminating evidence around here. See if you can find something. Get him suspended for at least 2 games, you know? Nothing too crazy.
I'm a cop. I can do whatever I want. But I better get paid a lot of dollars for this.
Sure.
Am I gonna find something? Jackpot. Ha ha!
Hey guys, I got your drinks.
You have a dead hedgehog in your drawer? Hunting without a license is punishable by FEMA regulations. That's at least a 2-game suspension, and you know it, Mr. De Bruyne. See this badge? I have every right to turn you in. Every right.
Well, actually, thanks to Mapp v. Ohio, you can't do that.
Mapp v. Ohio was a 1961 court case about Dalry Mapp, who was arrested for possessing explicit materials found by the police in an illegal search. Let's take a look at this clip from the courtroom.
Would the defense attorney please come to the stand? Your Honor, I come here in defense of Dalry Mapp. The Cleveland, Ohio Police Department was tipped off that my client, Dalry Mapp, was housing a fugitive in her home. The police show up and ask to come in. Mapp then replies, "Come back with a warrant." They come back later with a piece of paper, and when she attempts to read it, they snatch it back. Then they barge in, and in their search of the house, they find pornographic material. And then she was arrested for possessing it.
Officer Stevenson, do you still have this warrant? No, Your Honor. I don't still have a warrant.
According to this investigation, no search warrant was issued by an Ohio State judge.
So, Mr. Kearns, are you trying to imply that this search was in fact illegal?
That's correct, Your Honor. The search was illegal.
In Boyd v. the United States, the Supreme Court ruled that any evidence found in a search without a warrant violates the Fourth Amendment and therefore cannot be used as evidence against a person in court. This is known as the exclusionary rule. Now, the constitutional question is, does the exclusionary rule under the Fourth Amendment apply only to the national government or to the state and local governments as well? So, what do I think about this case? Well, I mean, yes, it was an illegal search, you know, when they came into the house, but having that suggestive material in her house was also illegal. If you break the law, then you break the law, you know? You know what I'm saying?
So back in 1789, when me and the other founding fathers were creating this Bill of Rights, we created these rights so that the people would not be oppressed by the government. In this case, Mapp v. Ohio, the government broke the Fourth Amendment and is trying to incriminate an individual based on the findings they found while breaking the Fourth Amendment. If the government can just break amendments and then use it to incriminate people, no one is safe.
This was a historic and controversial decision. It placed the requirement of excluding illegally obtained evidence from the court at all levels of government. The decision launched the court on a troubled course of determining how and when to apply the exclusionary rule. But in the end, we ruled 6-3 in favor of Dalry Mapp.
In the Declaration of Independence, Thomas Jefferson writes that all people have the right to life, liberty, and especially property. The legacy of Mapp v. Ohio is allowing people to enjoy their own property without government interference. Since police need a warrant to use search evidence in court, people do not have to fear the government. Mapp v. Ohio gives American citizens the right to privacy.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.